In this session, you will learn how to manually join and unjoin openings. The Join-Unjoin feature allows you to combine openings manually or at a predefined distance. This is in addition to the possibility of joining openings by a predefined distance during the automatic creation and updating process. By selecting multiple openings and clicking Join-Unjoin, ConVoid will automatically merge them into a single opening. If you want to unjoin the merged openings again, simply select the opening and click Join-Unjoin. You can also join openings by a predefined distance. By deselecting all elements in your model and clicking Join-Unjoin, a window will pop up that allows you to do so. First, choose whether you want to join openings in your current view or the entire project. Second, set a distance at which the openings should join. Next, select the filters of the openings that should be considered when joining the opening and click Join Openings. ConVoid will now join all openings based on your set conditions. Now you're all set to move on to the next step.